Hey explorers! Are you ready for an incredible adventure? We're going on a journey to discover some of the most amazing creatures on our planet. Get ready to meet reptiles! Cling! It's the gecko! Look at it climbing the wall. Its tiny toes stick like magic, letting it explore places we can't reach. Whoosh! It's the amazing chameleon. It changes color right before our eyes. It's not just for camouflage. It's like a secret code to talk to other chameleons. Swish! It's the green iguana. It swings through the trees, and its strong tail helps it balance while munching leaves for energy. Poof! It's the bearded dragon. It puffs up its beard to show it's brave. It's like its own superhero costume. Zap! It's the frilled lizard. Its frill pops out like a giant collar to scare predators while it runs super fast on two legs. Thud! It's the Komodo dragon. This giant lizard stomps through the forest. It's a powerful hunter, keeping nature's balance in check. Swish! It's the monitor lizard. It slides along the riverbank, and its sharp eyes spot tiny creatures hiding in the mud. Sizzle! It's the Gila monster. It creeps slowly along the desert, and its venom protects it from danger while it hunts insects. Click! It's the Mexican beaded lizard. Its beaded skin looks like armor. This desert superhero that hunts cleverly. Hiss! It's the king cobra. It rises tall, warning everyone nearby. It's the forest's respected protector. Rattle, rattle! It's the rattlesnake. This desert snake shakes its tail like a drum. That's its way of saying, stay away. Squeeze! It's the python. It wraps around a branch to climb safely. It doesn't just hug, it hunts cleverly using its strength. Splash! It's the giant anaconda. It glides through the river and is a top predator, silently keeping balance in the wetlands. Hug! It's the boa constrictor. This boa slithers slowly but surely, using its powerful body to capture prey and survive in the wild. Slip slap! It's the corn snake. It moves through grass like a ribbon. Farmers love them. They help keep pests away. Twist! It's the milk snake. It has bright stripes that trick predators. Looks can be deceiving in nature. Splash! It's the crocodile. It slides into the river, and its eyes peek above water while it waits patiently for its next meal. Chomp! It's the alligator. It rests in the swamp, and its strong jaws help keep the river ecosystem balanced. Glide! It's the caiman. It sneaks through the water. Small but mighty, it keeps fish populations healthy. Snap! It's the gharial. Its long and thin snout catches fish like a fishing net. It's a special river hunter.
Clunk! It's the tortoise. It carries its home on its back. Slow and steady, it lives for decades. Swoosh! It's the sea turtle. It glides through the ocean waves and travels thousands of miles to lay its eggs safely. Splash! It's the terrapin. This turtle dives into freshwater ponds, and its strong shell is perfect armor against predators. Whoosh! It's the leatherback turtle. It dives deep into the ocean, and its flexible shell makes it the fastest swimming turtle. Click-clack! It's the box turtle. It snaps its shell shut like a door, a moving fortress for a little adventurer. Peek! It's the tuatara. It pops out from New Zealand rocks. It's a living fossil showing us what reptiles were like millions of years ago. Zoom! It's the skink. It darts under leaves, and its shiny scales reflect the sunlight as it hunts for insects.
Thank you for watching, and see you next time.